What's up guys, Dave here with the 2012 Honda GoldWing, and I'm going to show you how to access the battery real quick. Very easy to do. First thing you have to do is unlock the bike with your key fob right there. Make sure it's unlocked. Then on the lever to the side here, we need to open the side bag. And then the battery is located behind this panel right here. No other tools necessary, it just pushes into place. So just come to the side right here and just pull back on this panel. Make sure you be careful. Just be careful pulling it off. And there's your battery and your fuse box right there. So if you want to install a battery tender, or if you need to swap out your battery, you'll have to pull off a couple things right here. The seat will have to lift up if you're going to remove the battery. So you need to use a, looks like a 10mm up above there. And, but that's all there is to it. Check out other videos for other cool stuff about the Honda GoldWing. We'll see y'all later.